my Bali vlog. I spent 4 weeks in Bali, traveling around the whole island. So I compiled everything together in this video. Are you ready for this? Ooh. Woo. My friends. Oh, I love the big one. He's my favorite. But like me, always eating the remainings and literally eating everything. Good morning, fucking. This is fucking creepy. One day I just took my scooter, drove up the mountains to watch the Lake Buyan and Tumblinga. Jackfruit. No one wants to eat them. So much durian. One day I was also giving a lecture in a Montessori school about health, and I've never ever been in a Montessori school before, so that was a cool experience. Baby LUWAK. So cute. Some information about LUWAKs. They are super valuable because they shit out undigested coffee beans, and that bean is used for making a different kind of coffee, which is called LUWAK coffee. It is sold super expensive. That's why people go into the forest, kidnap them, and just put them in cages to make the money out of them. But in that cafe, they were just keeping the LUWAKs there, and they just were chilling around, and they were fat and cute, and you could play with them. Because the coffee there was from wild LUWAKs, I tried it, although I said I never wanted to try it, but under those circumstances I said okay. And it turns out, it tastes the same just like normal coffee. My queer vegan feminist look is back again. I cut my hair. I couldn't wait any longer, and I found a hairdresser for €5, so I was like, okay, whatever, let's go for it. I booked a cooking class where we went to the market together and even harvested our own vegetables on their organic farm.
This is the giant granadilla.
Wow.
Best supermarket ever.
LUWAK shit. Wow. I am ready to sign. I'm really afraid. Oh my gosh, really sticky. Oh shit. When in Ubud, I hiked Mount Batur starting at 3 AM in the morning. Today is my last full day in Ubud, and I was planning to go to Camper and Rich Rock, so this is what I'm doing right now, and some restaurant hopping, because this is literally the only thing I've been doing here since I cannot do yoga because my injured arm, yay. But there will definitely be another food video just about Ubud because there's so much to see, oh my gosh. Going to the sauna party! In slippers, sexy! If this is not the coolest helmet of all time, then I don't know. With our hostel squad, we went to Tanalot together and enjoyed the waves and the view to the temple. I also saw the cliche things in Canggu, which were Doizaks and Old Mans. In Seminyak, I saw a wonderful gallery where I spent hours and hours. One day they organized a big beach cleanup event, so I came there to help out. It was so awesome to see so many people come there and help. My next destination was Uluwatu. For partying, we went to the Sunday party at Old Finns, and it was so funny because they had a power cut and then the drummer still kept going on. Such a cool dude! On my last day I wanted to indulge some sceneries, that's why I went to the beautiful, beautiful Lissyyy beach and also to a cool cliff.
Okay, have fun with this shit, guys.
Place is so crazy. Like, here is even a movie theater at the airport. Can you believe that? And you can even play video games for free, like new games like Horizon Zero Dawn or Detroit Become Human. It is such a fancy airport, and they even have like a garden with butterflies and everything. Oh my gosh. Back to Germany. Those are the things I first bought when I got back. Basically the things that I missed the most, which is ridiculous and a really random combination. So that was my trip to Bali, and it was really amazing. I would say there are definitely some places that I missed that I would love to say when going there again, but for now I'm good and I really enjoyed my time there. If you have any questions about the places or you want to see my vegan food guide, then feel free to drop a comment and check out the other stuff of mine, as well as my Instagram account where I post daily. And I would also love to see you in the next one. So I wish you a wonderful day and bye bye!